So in this video we are going to replace the screen for this Xiaomi Redmi. This is the 9C. We are going to replace this. The screen is not working. You need to be mindful because the ribbon for the fingerprint scanner is right here. So what you need to do is to remove all the screws. There are some black screws around, so we can start by removing the screws. We have this metal piece in which you need to remove. This piece is what is holding down the ribbon for the fingerprint scanner. You need to remove this. So once you remove this, you can go right ahead and you can take off the ribbon for the fingerprint scanner. So once that is out of the way, you can see the long strip at the back. This is for the screen. You can then go ahead and remove this plastic covering, and that's all of the screws. After you have taken the speaker compartment off, you need to detach this ribbon here. This is the ribbon that charges your phone, and we are going to remove the screen. Guys, this screen actually had razor for itself. I recommend you trying this before sticking the screen. It's quite important to try it before sticking the screen. So this is the perfect fit. Then you want to connect this one at the top here. So when you finish connecting, we can turn the phone on, but we are not sure if we have any battery charge. So the first thing in which we are going to do, we are going to plug in the charger before turning on the device. We are not sure if the battery on this device is low. As you can see, yeah, it's charging there, and we are waiting to see the percentage. So this battery is actually low. The last button is the power button, and we are just going to turn on, do a brief test, and then we are going to stick the screen. So guys, the device is working. I am going to power off the device now. So let's start by removing this one. Let's remove. Bear in mind, when you do this, you want to take your time, as it can damage the main connector, and you don't want that to happen. So the screen is off. So we need to remove this plastic when we are installing the screen. So first we are going to apply the adhesive glue. You want to ensure that the edges where the glue is going is clean and that it is smooth 100%, as it can create imperfections when you install your screen. It's very good to always ensure that you have sufficient glue. Once everything is stick, we can go ahead and we can connect the ribbon. Ensure that you align and then connect, as these connectors can damage very easily. So what we're going to do now, we are going to put back up the phone. We're going to start by let's go ahead, put back in all the screws. So first we need to connect the fingerprint scanner. It needs to be done like this. So once it is connected, you want to put back on this metal piece in perfect position. Then there are two screws that we need to screw in. That's two, and then we are done. So all we need to do now is to put back on the back cover. That's just a piece of adhesive glue. Put back on the back cover. Then you want to put back in the you want to put back in the SIM tray. And basically guys, we are done. So I'm just going to leave the screen for the adhesive glue to cure before I actually turn on the phone. But what we're going to do, we are going to do a quick test just to see the screen light up and to see everything looking good. So that's it guys. We can clean off the excessive glue at the end when the screen is properly dried and everything. So I hope that this was helpful. Do like, share and subscribe.